Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today in this video I am going to share with you all a very small tip to attach lace in your hemming portion. So let's get started. First of all, you need to take a piece of paper, a little bit stiffer one, and in the center of that paper you need to draw this type of rectangular shape, and this shape should be wider as much as your lace is, and just cut it down to make a hole, and then insert this lace from the front side onto this hole. Now place the lace onto your machine needle like this, and stick that paper onto your machine by using sellotapes on both the sides. Here you are halfway done. Now just take that fabric, fold it 2 times, and place it on top of that lace. It should be visible around half, and now just give a straight stitch like this. So in this way you don't need to hold the lace and fabric simultaneously. Just fold that fabric and your lace will come out automatically, and this is the easiest way to attach thinner laces also. You can see how beautifully your hem and lace work done together. So I hope you like this tip. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.